There's 2 stakes. Right now we're shooting for the 3rd one so we can aim for the temple, and we would always talk about that with members. You know, we need to reactivate people, we need to get new members so you guys can have a temple in Norway. I was able to serve in the larger cities, and so those wards were a good size. Not quite as big as we have here, but pretty close. Maybe like 2/3, half, 2/3 of what we have. There's how many missionaries? When I was there, I'm pretty sure there's about 95, and maybe a little, like less than half were sisters, maybe around 35, 40. I think it's a lot more now, which is exciting. In Norway, there's only one language, Norwegian, but it seems like there's lots of different languages, especially when you first get there, because they have different dialects, and they can be hard to understand in the beginning. But it's one thing that I think all missionaries come to really enjoy, because once you hear somebody speak a different dialect, instantly you remember the place where you were at, you remember the people, and just a sense of love that you have. I personally just learned the basic language, the main language that they speak everywhere in all of Norway, which is called bokmål, and that will get you pretty far. I mean, obviously everybody understands it. Some missionaries try to learn different dialects. That wasn't something that I did, but it's fun to see them do that, and I think they gain a better appreciation for the specific city where they're at. The dialects can be really different from each other. In some cities, they will scar their R's really hard, so it sounds more rough, more maybe like German sounding. In Oslo, they speak their tonefall, or like the sing-song of the language is really colorful. It's how do I explain that? It's really they inflect their voices a lot when they speak, and I really liked that. In Trondheim, it sounds like Chinese, just so crazy and different. Yeah, those are all the main ones that I remember, but dialects are really fun. With members, I wish I would have become better at it. I think it's a work in progress, but I know that that's what's going to make the biggest difference in getting more members. That's what's going to make the difference in getting that 3rd stake and getting a temple, and hopefully many more stakes to come. I think because Norwegians, the way they work is they're very when you initially meet them, they are very close. They're polite and helpful, but they are closed, and they won't let you in. So teaching Norwegians as a missionary from America can be really hard to penetrate through that shell that they have. The most effective thing is going to be working through the members, because they have the friendships. They are Norwegian, and they are the key into reaching other Norwegians, especially families. I think that it's so important, and it's difficult, but the patience and the time it takes to do it is so worth it. And once you become a Norwegian's friend, once you have their trust, there's no holding back. They are loyal, and they will do anything for you. So it's something really powerful.